rock the place, 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 rock the place.
This term, year 3, have been studying everything rocks. From the rock cycle to different types of rocks, geodes, fossils and erosion. Here at Sunny View, we prefer to learn by doing. We used our hands to create different rocks from candy to see the changes rocks make.
So what rock are you making right now, Kimya?
A sedimentary rock.
Okay.
Okay, so what's the next type of rock that you think we're gonna make? Nico?
Metamorphic.
Metamorphic. So how can we change our sedimentary rock, which is just barely glued together? What makes it a metamorphic rock? Kimya?
Pressure and heat.
Pressure and heat, good. So we're gonna squeeze even more on your rock because it's gonna get pushed by billions of years of layers. And maybe it got close to heat. Where would it find heat underneath the ground, Nico?
Close to magma.
Close to magma. Maybe that rock got a little bit close to magma. Okay, so what you can do is kind of blow on it with your hand and put some heat on it and really make it bendy and squishy. Let's see how you go. All right, squish it, bend it. There we go. We're heating it up. We're melting it a little bit, aren't we?
Simon, what kind of rock are you making now?
A metamorphic rock.
And how are you going to do that?
With pressure and heat. Okay.
And how are you going to do the heat?
Blow it on it.
All right, let's see. All right, Nico, what are you doing?
I'm making it strong.
Now, what is the hairdryer supposed to be? What are you trying to do?
I'm going to melt the rock and turn it into liquid and then make it cool down to turn it into magma.
Right, and what is that liquid supposed to be? It's not supposed to be candy. What's it actually supposed to be?
Magma.
There we go.
We made our own geode art projects with rock salt. We dug for fossil facts, painted our own rocks, and made rocks from clay to show the possible effects of erosion.
Nellie, what are you making? What's it called, guys? A geode.
What are you making, Severe?
I'm making a geode.
What are you using to make the crystals?
Salt.
Carmen, you're ready for your salt.
I'm ready.
Daniela, yeah. How are we doing? Yeah, let's see. Put it on the table. Okay, good. So now I want you to make some water in there.
Still alive. Anyone else? Maria.
A seal.
A seal.
That's exactly what
I saw a whale
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
or an aeroplane.
I was gonna say a whale.
Let's look. The wing. Oh yeah, it's not really
It
wings.
kind of looks like a whale.
Okay.
It looks like a sperm.
The seal.
Yay!
Correct. Good guessing that.
Why does it say that 4 times? If that's
Because remember, the rocks are found in Spain, which by
All right. This is actually caused by chemicals in the rain. It's called acid rain. Raise your hand if you've heard of acid rain. So sometimes the rain isn't just water. There's actually chemicals in it, okay? And those chemicals cause these weird holes. I want you to remember this because soon we're going to use clay to make a rock sculpture that looks like it has been eroded. And this is one thing you could do. You could make some holes. You could make some smooth, weird shapes, okay? Now, let's see. Who can remember? What breaks down rocks into smaller pieces? What causes erosion? Nelly.
What's it?
Water is one. Let's see if it's here. Yes, water is one. Natasha. Wind is another. Finally, Elias.
Chemicals in the rain.
Chemicals mixed with water, absolutely. You know, those chemicals could be in the water too, like in a river. Here we go. Donnie, what are you doing?
I'm being a dinosaur.
You're making a dinosaur. Why are you using a ruler?
Because it has been eroded by water.
Let me see. So it looks like it's been eroded by water. Nice. Cool.
To end our topic, we walked over to the neighboring pine forest for an afternoon full of rock-themed activities. Starting with a scavenger hunt to find examples of the different types of rocks we have been learning about in the classroom.
Tamira?
Example of something, but not sedimentary.
What do you see about these lines pushed together?
And ending with a rock stacking competition. What a fantastic way to end our rock topic.